Welcome, dear friends who are passionate about travel. Today we are exploring a gorgeous Italian settlement, Matera. Matera is a historic city located in the Basilicata region of southern Italy. It has a long history dating back to the Paleolithic, more than 9,000 years, which makes it one of the oldest cities in the world. The narrow alleys and stepped streets are a living testimony of the city's history and the ingenuity of its first inhabitants. The city is known for its unique and ancient cave dwellings dug into the limestone cliffs, known as the Sassi di Matera, the stones of Matera, which are believed to be among the first human settlements in Italy. The grandeur and beauty of this place is best seen from aerial images. Matera developed on the slopes of a steep mountain in the shape of a natural amphitheater. Along the slopes of the mountain lies the real gem of the ancient city, the part carved into the rock. It used to suffer from poverty and poor living conditions, but efforts have been made to restore the Sassi and revitalize the city. The city has several beautiful churches, many dating back to the Middle Ages. Here you are surrounded by so much beauty and history that you don't know what to look at first. Its sheer beauty is reason enough to come here. Everywhere you look, you find something to photograph. Matera's unique urban structure and historical significance have attracted filmmakers, making it a popular filming location for several films, including The Passion of the Christ. As you walk through the winding streets, some up and some down, you have the chance to discover on your way some restaurants with an amazing view. We found this one. Matera is today a thriving city of over 60,000 inhabitants. The modern part of the city is spacious and pleasantly laid out, hosting many bars, restaurants, shops. This magnificent city deserves to be on your travel bucket list and can be explored by planning a day trip from Bari. Until next time, all the best.